Susan Samples joins us live with a look outside. Good morning, Susan. How are the roads on your drive in?
Morning, George. We are in Georgetown Township near Jenison. I'm off Baldwin Street. Main Street is just over that way. And here's the situation. Take a look. We got flurries and visibility problematic in some areas. But again, as Sarah mentioned, give yourself extra time, because I sure needed it as I was commuting in from just south of Rockford to Heritage Hill, east of downtown. That took me about 30 minutes when it normally takes 20. Let's look at what's sticking on the ground here right now. So we are seeing it is sticking in some areas, but we do have, of course, those high winds as predicted, and that's blowing it around. So what is unpredictable is the conditions in any one spot. It seems like it changes so quickly. 1 minute, everything's pretty clear, and then the next you're in near whiteout conditions. And Diego, are you zooming over to the flags there too? That's a good barometer of the strength of the wind right now, and also I think a good backdrop for the flurries. I know when I was driving in, I felt like several times I was caught in a snow globe with the flurries just driving into my windshield, making it really tough to see. And the concern is, of course, that people won't be able to adjust their driving behavior as quickly as the fast-changing conditions require. And we certainly don't want to see too many slide-offs, certainly nothing serious, we hope. But sometimes in these kinds of near whiteout conditions, we do end up with those multi-car pileups, and we are fingers crossed we don't have that happen, and that the high winds don't knock out power. Those are the big concerns right now: road conditions, power, trees falling because of the high velocity winds. So we're out here monitoring the situation. We'll be here to let you know what we're seeing and what you need to stay away from. By the way, stay home if you can. I know we always say that, but we're live in Georgetown Township right now. Susan Samples, News 8, back to you guys.